What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and today we're going to get into some IAA content. It's been a while since I've gone through an actual auction, and there's a car I'm definitely interested in. It's weird because somebody had reached out to me and said that this was a down badged Hellcat, and it's the main focus for me in the auction today. So if you see the thumbnail, it's all kind of bolt-on stuff, so it's definitely something I think we can address and fix. So we'll have to get into it and see if we're able to fix it. What is up, guys? What is up? Welcome on into TK's Garage, and we're looking at the auction. We got about 8 minutes to go before the auction starts, so I thought we'd look at some of the vehicles that are coming up today and see if there's anything that could possibly be purchased or used. This was a stripped, huh? So being that we have a few minutes before the auction, let's go ahead and take a look at some of the different ones. This one's at 7,500. H2 Hummer. Not bad on the miles either. Never understood why people were so hype about the H2 Hummer. I mean, it's really just an overpriced Tahoe, for real. I just want to skim through here and see if there's anything crazy before the auction pops up that we might want to snap up. There we go. Current bid $4,000. The damage on that is not that bad. Oh, a lot of miles on that though. 2016. It's got the 5.7. Let's see what it sounds like. It runs. Wow. Interesting. Definitely interesting. Damn, this thing went for crazy money, man. 1325, 1425. Danger. Honda Accord. Pretty smashed. Definitely pretty smashed. It's almost 10 years old too. I mean, that's window, fender. Oh, that's low miles though. Or is that a trip? Wait a minute. No, only 33,000 miles. That, okay, the powertrain might be worth that. Wow. That car was literally used for taking grandma to church on Sundays. This terrain is done. Yeah, this one is completely done here. I don't care. That's super friggin' smashed. Super smashed. Yeah, that's too much for this one too, even though it's a 15. I got a Hyundai Sonata 2.4. It's a 15. I don't know if this is the one that had the bad motor. This one's hail damage though. Salvage title. 7,500 in repairs is the estimate. That's why it's only worth 9. And they're gonna bid this thing up, man. This is ridiculous. Wow. That don't make no damn sense. $4,200. That's, I don't care, man. That's just, I don't get it. That's not worth it, man. 2017 Ford Fusion, 61,000 miles, $6,000. Oh, I was gonna say if it didn't have any damage, it might be worth that. But then look at it, man. The whole back. It's the hybrid too. Hell no, man. Yeah, congratulations to Amon. You can have that. That's ridiculous, man. This too. This one, yeah. Now this is around where it should be going price wise. $600. But watch them bid this up. It does not run and drive. They're still going to bid this up over $1,000. Oh my God, man. That's ridiculous. I'm sorry. That's extra stupid. Well, the same thing. Look at this Sonic, man. It is destroyed. 95,000 miles, and these are cars like legitimately like these are cars that should be like $200 cars. I'm sorry. Like when you look at all of the damage to the car, and this one, is this even run and drive? Okay, it is run and drive, but still, man, that's ridiculous. Let's see. 1,700, 1,800 on this one. Yeah. I don't know, man. $2,000. Hail damage. 116,000 miles. I don't know. Weren't these the Exploder versions of the Explorer? The ones that just blew up? That's ridiculous. I don't know, man. $32.75. They're tripping. Oh, I ain't got to worry about me bidding on that Jetta. I don't know what the deal is with the sound, but the audio just quit. The sound effects, which is fine by me. The little dings and stuff get to be annoying. But let's see what, I think the vehicle I'm looking at, the Charger, is coming up next, right? Yeah, this is it right here. Yeah, I knew they were going to bid this up. It's worth 17. There it is. Blood. Nope. They're tripping on this one. With the bio on that? No way. No friggin' way. We got a Dodge Journey. Yeah. $300 for a Diamante. Those were great cars when they were good. Hail damage, 195,000 miles. Yeah, that one's going for a little too much, if you ask me. Yeah, that's a negative right there. Mm-mm-mm. $700. Yeah, no. This is the last one I had on my list. They're gonna bid this one up. That's ridiculous. $1,850, $1,800. Alright guys, so there you have it. A 2016 Dodge Charger for a Hemi for and it's, I don't know, I looked at the VIN number and while I was waiting in the auction, and we pulled the Carfax, and I'm not seeing, I mean, I see it's a theft recovery, but I'm not seeing anything about it being a Hellcat. So I'm guessing it's just a stolen RT. Broken glass from the Volkswagen. But that said, even if it is just an RT, you know, 5,700, you know, plus fees and stuff, probably what, maybe 6,200 into a Charger RT with a little bit over 100,000 miles on it. I mean, I'm probably looking at what, a fender, a front fascia, the grill. You know, I'll put the, you know, scat front with the snorkels or whatever on it. The headlights are still good. Car runs. You know, I might need to straighten out some of the core support, but there's no frame damage, nothing like that. Car runs and drives. I probably could have it if I could find a red Charger, you know, that same color red, and just get that fender and that front fascia. I probably good. In worst case scenario, I don't. I got to get a different color, and then I'll just probably put a wrap or something on it. You know, we'll wrap the car and then sell it. I should be able to sell. I mean, retail value on that car is 17, so I should probably easily be able to sell it for 9 grand, I'm guessing. So, you know, if I'm 62 into it, 1,000 in repairs, 72, 9 grand. You know, it's an $1,800 profit plus whatever I'd make on the content and stuff on it. Not bad. And it could just be a car that I keep. It could just be my everyday Mopar. I haven't had a Charger before, so we'll see what happens. But anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Before we go, I definitely got to talk about our awesome sponsors over at Robinhood. That is right. I've been back on the Robinhood train. They've been getting a lot of their bugs and other issues worked out. And right now, you can sign up with the link in the description down below. They're doing like a Black Friday holiday type of thing. So instead of you getting 1 stock, they're giving away 3 stocks. That's right. You got 3 chances, and they still give away stocks like Tesla, Apple, Google, and other stocks. You never know what you're going to get. You could get a stock that's worth $2.50. You could get a stock that's worth $1,100. It is absolutely free. They do not require you to make a deposit or any of that. You can sign up in the description down below, get some of that free stock. What I tell people is if they're not big in the market but they want to get into crypto, but they don't want to use any of their own money, this is a really good opportunity to do that. You can jump in, get a couple of free stocks, 3 to be exact, and then hold them for a few days. I think you got to hold them for what, 3 days, and then sell them, and then buy you some Dogecoin, or buy you some Litecoin, or buy you some Bitcoin. But anywho's, with that said, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. I truly appreciate you guys coming through and watching today. Hit that thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.